guys, welcome to my first vlog ever. At my school we have an assembly and I'm gonna be performing, and I thought I would bring you guys along because it'll be interesting and fun to watch. Just wearing these clothes for now, but I'm going to change later. I'm excited for today. I have to be there by 7:50, but let me show you my earrings. So I have these earrings and a necklace. I had a matching one, but I don't know where it is. I also have my makeup bag, and there's not a lot of stuff in there. But we just have to go do rehearsal, so I'll see you. I'm changing into my shoes. I still have to go to first period.
Did ask, you know what, why don't you go together now that I'm allowed to?
But the bus is taking so long. Now I just have to put my stuff in the locker.
머리가 어지러질래 정신 못 차리겠대 숨도 가빠지고